Hello my friends, this is Sylvie Curry, Lady of Q. Once again, I'm in my kitchen. Today I'm going to be cooking up something a bit unique. And I call it unique because you don't often see recipes for it or even YouTube videos cooking this. As most of you know, my hubby is an avid deep sea fisherman. And he knows a lot of other guys and gals who also do a lot of deep sea fishing. So either he brings back or they bring back yellowfin tuna, bluefin tuna, big pieces of tuna. Ordinarily, these are processed at a processing plant near the dock where the boats come in. Most often, the fishermen will have the fish processed, and there are some parts of the fish that they don't want to keep, and they'll just have it tossed at the processing plant. But not my hubby. He wants the whole fish, minus the intestines and the innards. So he'll have them process the fish, but retain this part for him. Let me show you what he likes. We're looking at here fish collars. This is a yellowfin tuna fish collar. And this would be like the shoulders of the fish, and you'd have the head and the mouth attached there, and the rest of the body going back the other way. These are bluefin tuna fish collars, and they're humongous. This is just half of one, and this is another half. That was a big fish. So anyway, I've already cleaned these, and I started a marinating process. The way that he likes to eat it is to have it marinated in a teriyaki type sauce or glaze or marinade. And then I'll cook it either on the grill, or sometimes if I'm lazy, depending on what's going on, I also just put it in the oven and put it on broil. Today I'm going to be putting these on the charcoal grill, and we're going to have some tuna collars. Now what you may notice is there is a lot of meat still on these collars. Lots and lots of meat, so it's not like it's just bone. And once it's grilled up, he just takes the chopsticks and just scoops up what he wants to eat. I'm going to be adding a little bit more of this teriyaki glaze on there. I put some on before and I put it back in the refrigerator. And now since I'm getting ready to put it on the grill, I'll put a little bit more on there. And because this does have sugar in it, I have to be very careful when I cook these that that sugar doesn't burn. What I usually do is I cook it with the skin side down, and that way that thick skin on these collars gives it a lot of protection. Now the teriyaki glaze that you use could be one that you make up yourself from scratch, or it could be one that you buy in the grocery store, any brand. I like to use one that's kind of thick so that it does hold in place and doesn't just all run off. we are done. I'm going to pull these off and head in the house.